Hello everybody, this is my project for monitor all process for logistic, inbound and outbound for tracking shipment. First I will choose username and add password, then validate. Then we'll display the inbound process. Monitor for inbound will display all details for shipment number, storer, this code for owner or customer, as you can see, SN number. So this is order number for order number or number of shipment on system, BO number, creation date, external number, this number for shipment related to customer, user define one, this is a reference number for the system, type for this shipment, local shipment or shuttling or local supplier, driver name, this is this column for status in receiving, received, closed, doc, this is doc number for the gate that will receive this shipment on it, notes if available, start offload, this for start offloading the shipment or the container, end offloading. Then all of this data that's selected will display in the left side, as you can see here, and we can make update, delete, reverse for return the old data. Okay, update, we can update any data from this data and press update. Our team has updated. This means the order transfer from closed to new and open. Okay, and start of loading will change and the time will update. Time for this status will update again. Okay, and you can filter with criteria, AS number. Okay, you can choose number and press filter. Yes, this number. If we have huge of lines, you can filter with this filter, and we have many criteria to choose from them. Okay, type here. When choose type, we appear for us for type for this shipment, local supply, important, shuttling, return. If we press on return and filter, well, no data for return. Okay, we can import and choose imported, filter. Yes, we have one shipment for imported, shuttling, we have 472 shipment. Okay, 201 line. Okay, we can press on select all if we need to make a update for all. Shift and control, we can press on this and select multi lines, not select all. Okay, and we can delete any shipment, and if the shipment became late in offloading, we'll highlight on time shipment based on SLA agreement for time for this truck or this type of shipment, and will display late inbound alarm here with red color, late inbound. Okay, and we can add arrival time from this button for some BO. Okay, and we can press open filter to display all BO, and here BO number 7374747 and driver name update driver name and take this PO. This driver data has been updated. Serial number is serial number kaza. We need to search on BO. This BO, we'll check. Yes, BO with driver name Ahmed is closed and updated. And this button view the workbook will display the workbook, and this button send email for with all data here as a report for the manager. Okay, here will change background, and here upload new orders. Here will upload new order from the system. From this button we'll upload the file, the Excel file from the extracted from the main systems, and add the data from Excel workbook to this data. And this monitor will help us for managing all logistic data and make my data is very clean, very sorted, and very good shape, with very good shape in order to make us make good report with good data and clear data, and make the data entry is very good and no error in the data. And this is the outbound monitor for tracking shipment orders, start document time, and tracking the status of order blank, move, allocated, in progress, pick, bigged, in progress, ship system, and all these data will display here above in the left side. And we can change or update in all fields with red color, like this. Update, as you can see, the type became ice cream. Okay, as you can see, the updated order